a human hacker, that is something different. So tell us about that. What is that? What do you do?
What I do is I teach you how to everything that is already coded in your brain can be utilized. I reorganize the library in your brain because it's funny to say because people do not get it. Everybody's a face reader. Everybody can understand micro expression, body language, statement analysis, personality types. We don't know why, but you never have that gut that you go to a place and you feel fear or you don't like someone and like I cannot explain it. Well, that is your sixth sense. People call it a third eye, sixth
Mm-hmm.
sense, your gut, however you want to put it, your, what is your dictionary, welcome. But people who is born blind and people who is not born blind, they have the same micro expressions and body language expressions when they express happiness, loss, or they want to communicate with others.
Mm-hmm.
So people can learn those things. People sometimes is afraid because it's afraid what they're gonna be seen in others, and other people is afraid to be seen. So I would say those are the more complicated part. For most part of my life, people is fascinated, and the majority says I want to learn more.
Right.
Actually, I was telling you, we were doing more training and working more in the last 2 months than we have in the last year because the new reality moved that everyone need to be in Zoom meetings. Everybody need to go back to expose themselves. So it's a body language for video, not only yours to read the others. It's a micro expression thing that you need to take care of because maybe you didn't even know that you're doing it.
Mm-hmm.
How to connect with others, how to know when somebody's audit, kinetic or visual. What is the relationship with the face? What are the words that you need to use? How to need to set meetings. So first of all, I teach you how you are. I recording you and I show you what you do
Mm-hmm.
because sometimes people react to your actions. It's not they're acting, they're reacting to you.